everyone! 안녕하세요. Welcome back, friendly Kajima here. So today, let's make 깻잎김치, which is Perilla leaf kimchi. So stay tuned. Let's take care of the ingredients. You can have some Perilla leaves, carrot, onion, green onion, and the chilies. If you can prepare the red and green chili, actually that will make your food more beautiful. Soy sauce, fish sauce, rice syrup, plum extract, chili powder, minced garlic, ginger powder, either the raw garlic, and sesame seeds. So actually, for the first step to make a 깻잎김치, Perilla leaf kimchi, you need to wash the Perilla leaves properly. So how you can do, you can just soak in the water and also just add a few drops of vinegar and then leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can just rinse it off. So you wash it properly. So now we got a Perilla leaf like this. We'll cut the stems of the Perilla leaves. So when you see those Perilla leaf stems, actually, we'll not just cut it completely, we'll just cut it short. So try to get the Perilla leaf stems in a one point and then cut till you can see the short Perilla leaf stems like this. So after seasoning the Perilla leaves, actually it just gets the all together between the leaves. So it's a lot easy just to grab the stem like this when you eat it. Let's just cut the green onion. I'm just gonna cut the white part of the green onion because this is what I have today. But if you have the green part, also you can use it, there's no harm. So cut it across. And that's right first. Then you can chop it. We'll cut the chilies in the same way. The stem first. Cut it across. Then take the chili to the sink and shake it off the seeds. Then I chop it. And then let's just use the slicer just to cut the onion and the carrots because we need to just cut those vegetables very thinly. So we will shred them. So you just put and secure. As you can see, they are very thinly sliced. Let's just put them into a bowl. So same thing with the carrots. Also quite thinly sliced. Vegetable products are done and we're gonna do some seasoning. So we can add some soy sauce first. Okay, soy sauce, fish sauce, rice syrup, plum extract. So if you don't have the plum extract or the rice syrup, actually you can add a little bit of vinegar, just a little, and also just you can replace with the sugar. So then we will also add some chili powder. So it's a kimchi, so don't forget. So we need to add the chili powder to make it spicy and also the minced garlic. I'm just gonna use the ginger powder, but if you do have a raw ginger, that will be also nice. So ginger powder, the sesame seeds. So let's just mix it all together. So we're not season every single Perilla leaves. Actually, we're just gonna put 3 leaves together. So like this. So it doesn't need to be exactly 3. However, it can be 2, 3, either 4. So average is 3. And then spread the seasoning. Don't put it too much, it can be a bit salty. So put it in this way. Looks so delicious, isn't it? So then you can just keep it in a container. So just grab and put it. like this. And I can put one more. It looks yummy though, right? So how easy to make, right? So the best way how you can enjoy 깻잎김치, actually that is this way. So with the rice, get a one leaf, put it on top of the rice, and just make a wrap with that. It's so yummy. If you're a foreigner, maybe you're not so familiar just to have the perilla leaves for eating, but Korean people, this is very common vegetable with the lettuce for making a wrap, especially when we have a barbecue. So if you never tried the perilla leaf kimchi or you knew it but you didn't like it, please just try the new recipe with the cosmos. So I hope that you enjoyed my cooking video today. If you liked it, please just subscribe to my channel and press the like button for me. So I'll come back with more nice recipes and hope to see you in my next video. So thank you and 또 만나요.